Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again, Life as Wanderlust. Today I'm in Coorg, day 2. I'm staying in a place called Backpackers United Hostel, which is like around 3.5 kilometers from Suntikoppe. I reached here last night around 7:30. It was pitch dark, no street lights, no network. I managed to reach this place somehow and I just went to sleep. Today morning I just came for a walk here. I'm just having a feeling that I'm somewhere in the middle of a forest. Seriously, whichever the direction I'm turning, I'm just finding out like completely filled with greenery and water. It's a very beautiful place. Not far from Madikeri too. It's a pretty decent place and well maintained, and it's like an hostel where you have only bunk beds here. If you come out with your friends, yes, it's a beautiful place to stay. I'll show you the stay. And that's the full view of the hostel. The staircase towards your left side will lead you to the first floor. There are a lot of pets here. Here each rabbit has got a unique name for them. Avi is not with me to introduce them to you, so I'm just going to show you them. I'm leaving to Abbey Falls right now, 32 minutes from here. I'll see you all there shortly. So I'm in Abbey Falls right now. Abbey Falls, it's in Kodagu, in the Western Ghats in Karnataka. It is located 8 kilometers from Madikeri, 122 kilometers from Mysore, and 144 kilometers from Mangalore, and 268 kilometers from Bangalore. This river is a part of early reaches of the river Kaveri. Yes, and the flow of this river is much higher during the monsoon seasons. This waterfalls is located in between a private coffee plantations with stocky coffee bushes and spices. That's the view of Abbey Falls. The falls is not much crowded because of COVID. It's less crowded. This falls was earlier called as Jesse Falls. It was called so because of a British officer's wife. However, this place was a thick jungle those times. Years later, the waterfall was discovered by Mr. Neeramanda B. Nannaya, who bought this place from the government itself, and he converted this place into a coffee and a spices plantation that surrounds this waterfalls today. You cannot take a bath at Abbey Falls. Earlier, people were allowed to go into the waters and take a shower, but since many accidents are taking place here, the access to the waterfalls is denied. This happened just over a year. Now nobody is allowed inside the falls, and it is very risky as well. And that's a small bridge built over there, but it's broken now, where people were allowed to go on the bridge and take a view of the waterfalls from the middle, but now it's broken. I don't know for what reason. Reached Kottabetta now. It took me 1.5 hours from Abbey Falls. It's a beautiful place. Kotabetta measures around 5,400 feet and it's the third highest peak in Coorg. You people just saw a view now, within no time. Now look at the view of this place. The weather completely changed in no time. I think so it would have been just 2 minutes. Completely changed. The wind blast is so strong that I am unable to even hold my camera steady. The weather here is a kind of mixed weather. It's sunny and it's drizzling. And that's the roadway to get to the top of the mountain to reach the viewpoint. And this is Avinash, my friend. He's a backpacker's owner. And we both came here doing a beautiful off-road on my bike. I couldn't record the whole thing because I didn't carry the action camera with me. And that's it for day 2. I'll see you in the day 3. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Take care. Goodbye.